All right, it's time to convert some more 2D images to 3D mesh like this tagger shown on the right. So this was created using one image here, and this corresponding depth map. And the modifiers, let me expand that out. The modifiers tab is on the right side. So the first modifier is subdivision. The value for this tiger is 6. The next is displace. That's where you reference the depth map. And the third is smooth. I actually used my own tool. It's called zForm. It does exactly the same thing as what's on the right side, except you don't have to do a bunch of clicks and typing here. You can just do 3 simple steps here. And in terms of the depth map, you can actually create free depth maps online if you upload one at a time, or you can set up your own local environment in something like Comfy UI. However, I use my other tool called Depth Map Batch. You can create depth maps all within Blender in a batch process. You can run it for a directory of images, a video file, or a single image. Let's get started from the very beginning. I'm going to select everything in the scene and delete it. Then I'm going to open up the image. Let's start with the one we were just using. Then find the depth map, which is this one here. Then I'm going to click Apply Depth Map. And there you go. You got your 3D mesh just like that. That was 3 simple steps. Oh, also one other thing to note is, just in case you haven't seen this before, if you look on the side, it looks terrible. And also on the back, so we go on the back side, it's hollow on the back side. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to delete this one and open up another image. Okay, let's try this character here. And then I need to find the depth map for 20. This one, I'm going to click Apply Depth. And not bad. The sides look weird, of course. I'm going to drop the depth strength down to 1 to make it a little bit flatter. And I'm also going to increase the subdivision on this one to 8. There, that's a little bit better. That looks better from this angle. So we got the depth strength at 1. What does it look like if I dropped it down to 0.6? Yeah, I think for this one, less depth is good. All right, let's try one more. Let me open up here. And how about we try this coin? Okay, so that's the front. Now we need to find the depth map. It's going to be this one, and I click Apply Depth. And I really like how sometimes these coins pop out. I think it looks pretty good. All right, that's all I got.